Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can use the link in the description to try this out, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, oops, let me turn off that pen and let's start with a 0. All right, so 0 gives us -1. How about a 1? Gives us -2. Maybe we've just got a line here. How about 2? 4, -4. Okay. How about a 3? Oh, well, it's definitely not a line. That is something that's decreasing really rapidly. We'll put in a 4, but I think this is going to be off the graph. Okay, well, I've got some ideas about this one. Let's explore the negative values. We'll put in a -1. And that gives us -0.5. Okay, how about a -2? Right, how about a -8? Very small decimal there, but not quite 0. So I think this is approaching this x-axis as an asymptote and then shooting off really rapidly down here. So does this remind you of anything? It's a little funny because I think something's been done to this, but I believe this is an exponential function. And the reason I'm saying that is because I noticed we double, 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 double. So that got increasingly negative in an exponential way. And because it's doubling, I think it's 2 to the x. Now, this is not the graph of 2 to the x, but I think that's where we need to start. And what has happened here, usually you're along the x-axis here, getting closer and closer to it from a positive direction as you go out to the left, and then you cross that y-axis and you shoot up really quickly. I think this is just the mirror image of that reflected over this x-axis. And to do that, to flip something upside down over that x-axis, you can just put a negative sign in front of it. So this is what I think it is. Let's just run through a couple of points in our mind. If we put in a 0, 2 to the 0 is 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1, and then you put a negative sign on it, you get a -1. If you put in a 1, 2 to the 1 is 2, and put a negative sign on it, you've got a -2. If you put in a 2, 2 to the x, 2 to the second is 4, put a negative sign on it, you get 4. So I think we've got this one. It's just an exponential that's been flipped upside down with that negative sign out in front. And there it is. So f of x equals -2 to the x power, and we can graph that as well. Beautiful curve that just shoots down super fast after it crosses that y-axis. Well, how did that go for you? Did you think exponential? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.